Hello guys, so now we are going to learn how to make a simple collage in Photoshop. So I had these three images and I made a collage out of them. And obviously they are on separate layers. Before making it from the start, let me show you how you can delete layers. So let's just say I want to delete this layer. I will simply click on it and hit delete key on the keyboard and it is deleted now. I can bring it back by pressing Ctrl Z, which is the undo. There is another way to delete it. I can simply click on it and drag and drop it on this trash can and it will get deleted. You can also delete multiple layers. So now this layer is automatically selected, and if I hit Ctrl on the keyboard and click on this layer, so now they both are selected. I can move them both now, and similarly I can drag them and delete them both. In the previous tutorial, we opened the files by clicking on File and Open, and then we selected the files. So I can move back and open the tutorial number 3, and these are the images I want to use. So I can select all of them and then hit Open. But we only use this way if we want to open all the images in different files. Let me show you how you can import all of them simply on this file. Simply minimize your Photoshop. Simply select all of these files and drag and drop them over here. Simply hit enter multiple times to confirm them. So as you can see, now they are all imported over here. So using the move tool, I can simply move this one, and since this layer was on top of rest of them, that is why we can only see this one on the top. We cannot see the last layer because it is at the bottom. So if I want to move that, I will simply click on it and then simply move it. But how can we resize all of them? So if I want to resize this layer, I will simply select it and hit Ctrl T on the keyboard. So now if you drag it from the corner, you can resize it. But there is a problem that it is getting distorted. If you keep pressing shift while you resize it, it will get resized in the same ratio. So let's put it over here and resize it a little more. And then simply hit enter. Similarly, we can resize this image. I will simply select it and hit Ctrl or Command T on the keyboard, and while pressing shift I will resize it and move it up a little. And you could also see this pink line. The Photoshop is telling me that this is the line where this image ends, so I can align it properly. Let me resize it a little more and just simply hit enter. Let's do it with the last image. I will simply select it, Command or Ctrl T on the keyboard, and simply resize it while pressing shift. You could also see the line. Let me resize it. Let's move this one to the middle. These are the exact size and our basic little collage is ready. If you want to move or transform all of them, simply select the top one, press shift on the keyboard and click on the bottom one. And now all of them are selected. Now press Ctrl T on the keyboard and you can see the box around all of them. I can resize them without pressing shift, and if I press shift, they will get resized in the same ratio. So I guess this looks fine. Let me just move this one to the middle, and this is perfect. So this is how you can transform images or objects in Photoshop and make a simple little collage out of pictures. I hope this was easy for you guys. I will see you in the next class.